Hey, hello guys. In the previous lecture, we discussed about some basic facts, administrative units, famous universities, and what is first in the JK. So, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about some other basic information, that is nicknames of the states of the Jammu and Kashmir, some major rivers, major lakes, and the famous wildlife sanctuaries of the Jammu and Kashmir. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing we will cover in this video is about the nicknames of the steeds of the Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see the name of the steed and the nickname of that steed. Okay. So the first steed is the Srinagar, which is also called the steed of the lakes. All right. The another steed is the Kashmir, which is also called the Switzerland of India. So another city is the Siachen, which is also called the highest battlefield in the world. And the another city is the Jammu, which is also called the city of temples. These are the nicknames of these cities. You can take the screenshot of this photo. Okay. So the next topic we'll cover in this video is all about the major rivers of the Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see the list of the rivers and the origin. Okay, so the origin of the Murusdar river is the Lahore Valley. The origin of the Ravi river is Himalayas. The origin of the Jhelum river is in Verinag Spring. The origin of the Lidar Valley is in Kolahoi Glacier. The origin of the Indus River is in Kailash Range. The origin of the Kishanganga River is in Dras, which is in Kargil. Okay, so the origin of the Nubra River is in the Siachen glaciers. So guys, these are the major rivers of the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and the origin of those rivers. All right. So the next topic is about the major lakes of the Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see the list of the lakes and the location of these lakes. Okay, so the first lake is about the Dal Lake, which is located in the Srinagar. So another lake is a Gangabal Lake, which is in the also in Srinagar. So another lake is the Manasbal Lake, which is also in Srinagar. So another lake is Shishnag Lake, which is in Anantnag. Okay, so another lake is Pangong Lake, which is in Leh. Okay, so the last lake is the So Moriri Lake, which is in Changtung. Okay, so these are the major lakes of the Jammu and Kashmir. So guys, the last topic we'll cover in this video is all about the famous wildlife sanctuaries of the Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see the complete list of the wildlife sanctuaries, the location where the wildlife sanctuary is located, and the length, which is in square kilometers. So let's get started. The first wildlife sanctuary is Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary and is located in the Leh, and the length is 5,000 in square kilometers. Okay, so another wildlife sanctuary is Chengteng Wildlife Sanctuary and is located in the Leh, and the length of this wildlife sanctuary is 4,000 in square kilometers. The third one is Ovara Aru Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in the Anantnag, and the length of this wildlife sanctuary is 425 in square kilometers. Okay, so the fourth one is Baltal Thajwas Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in the Gandarbal, and the length of this wildlife sanctuary is 210 in square kilometers. All right, so the fifth one is Gulmarg Wildlife Sanctuary, which is in Baramulla, and the length of this wildlife sanctuary is 180 in square kilometers. Okay, so the last one is about Hirapura Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in the Shipya, and the length of this wildlife sanctuary is 110 in square kilometers. These are the famous wildlife sanctuaries of the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so guys, this is all about the second lecture, and in the next lecture we will cover Jammu and Kashmir state symbols. Until then, take good care of yourself and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.